without him will be allowed if COC is constant.
Thursday we'll take it.
Only one center, but it will be infructuous if the COC is made in these 48 hours. They should not make a 48 hours.
Yes.
Very well, we made our concerns clear to your lordships. If they go and create a COC in these 2 days.
The others, can you just circulate emails? In the afternoon, I'll deal with your emails and ensure that all matters are listed. Just circulate an email.
It is connected to Sumoto writ petition 2 of 2024. That writ petition was filed by Association of Healthcare Pvt Ltd, Tamil Nadu chapter in 2019. Notice was
Order for listing the matter. Just talk to the registrar in 10 minutes once he is free from here. There would be already an order for listing.
Lords, if your lordships can consider indicating, my lord, the concerns which your lordships would like us to assist.
Mr. Sibyl is appearing for the
Your Lordship, with Mr. Sibyl. In this matter, Your Lordship, I'm also assisting Your Lordship.
I'm appearing for the Delhi Medical Association. Lord, we have filed an application.
State of West Bengal is represented by Mr. Sibyl.
Yes, Lord.
I appear for
the Bengal Doctors, the Association of Bengal.
But I am appearing for the original writ petitioner on
Your Lordship, I'm.
order the CBI was done.
My Lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Number of interveners.
Yes,
Please,
Don't have
appearing on
calling
behalf of the
out-
petitioners.
calling out who they are appearing for. We'd only request the interveners to give a slip of paper to the court master indicating who you are appearing for. We'll take that.
We'll give it, my lord.
Otherwise, we'll spend the next 10 minutes and only,
I am appearing for the Indian Medical Association. We'll give our slip, my lord.
And my lord, I am for the writ petitioner at whose behest the investigation was transferred to CBI.
Right. But the reason why, I must make it clear, the reason why we decided to take suo motu cognizance, we are conscious of the fact that the High Court was entertaining a petition which was filed by the petitioners who are here before us, is because this is really now not just a matter relating to a particular murder which takes place in a hospital in Kolkata, which is horrific in the nature of the crime, but it raises systemic issues in regard to the safety of doctors.
Lord, two more incidents, one in Bombay and one in Ahmedabad after Calcutta.
Let the Chief Justice, please.
This deals with the systemic issue of safety of doctors across India.
Yes.
There are a couple of things, Ms. Sibyl, before we deal with the broader aspects of safety and what we propose to do, we'll tell you in a
I have something to assist on that, my lord, neutrally.
briefly on both aspects. First, on matters of safety, we are deeply concerned about the fact that there is a virtual absence of safe conditions of work for young doctors across the country, particularly in public hospitals. As we know, these are all young interns, they are residents, senior residents, doctors, and most importantly, women doctors.
Yes.
Who are subject to of graver dangers and vulnerability.
Yeah, vulnerable.
By virtue of the nature of their
Absolutely.
because of gender.
Working hours.
And working hours. Most of the young doctors have to put in somewhere
36 hours, my lord.
we find that there are no duty rooms available, no separate restrooms or duty rooms available for men and women doctors, for the other nursing staff, for the paramedical staff who are also on duty. And therefore, we must evolve a national consensus to ensure that there must be a standard national protocol to ensure that safe conditions of work are provided. This is not a matter of providing protection either to women or protection to doctors in general. It's a matter of creating safe conditions of work. So that they, ultimately, what is equality under the Constitution all about? If women cannot go to a place of work and be safe, then we are denying them the basic conditions of equality. And therefore, we are entertaining this, and I'll very shortly share the way we want to proceed with this to ensure that ultimately, it's not that every time that there is a rape or murder that the conscience of the nation is awakened. We have to do something right here and now to ensure that these conditions of safety are maintained in terms of protocols which will not just be on paper, but protocols which will be enforced across India. Now, insofar as what happened in Kolkata is concerned, Mr. Dibble, couple of things from what we have. Of course, first, let me begin by saying that we are deeply concerned of the fact that the name of the deceased who was assaulted and murdered, the name has been published all over the media. Photographs have been
Yes.
published all over the media.
Correct.
Should never.
Video clips, obviously, either before or after the post-mortem, have been published,
Right.
showing her body, after she was subjected to it. It's extremely concerning. We are the first to recognize the right to free speech, but there are well-settled
It
parameters
is extremely painful. I agree entirely with you.
which have been laid down in now the new new criminal procedure code by judgments of our court in Nipun Saxena, that you will not publish the names of the survivors of sexual assault. In this
Correct.
case, the
It's a
person
criminal offence.
We have filed 50 FIRs on that count. 50 FIRs.
And it was circulated, nobody should publish.
May I just inform your lordships, before the police reached, photos were taken and these were circulated. We didn't allow anything to happen. We cordoned off the area.
Is this the way we provide dignity and respect
terrible.
the
It's
privacy
terrible.
of an individual who has lost her life as a young doctor?
Yes.